Hello everyone, so in this video we are going to learn how to send WhatsApp messages for booking cancelled in TuCalendi. So in this video we will learn how you can integrate these two applications in such a way that whenever in TuCalendi for any event that you might have created, a booking is done by a person. Now that booking gets cancelled, so the person has to be notified via a WhatsApp message. So we are going to create an automation for this whole process with the help of Pabbly Connect, where our trigger will be booking cancelled in TuCalendi and our action will be to send a WhatsApp message via Interact. Let us learn how to do that. So let us learn that how you can send a notification message on WhatsApp to any customer, and for that WhatsApp we are going to use Interact, and the booking for that customer will be into Calendly that we are going to cancel. So let us quickly sign in into our account so that we will reach this place where I can see all the applications provided by Pabbly, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect to create this automation. Click on Access Now. That will take me to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Reaching here, you will be able to see a big blue button on your right side where it's written Create Workflow. Click on the button and give a suitable name to your workflow. I'm going to name it as Send WhatsApp Message for Booking Cancelled in TuCalendi. Click on Create and then a blank workflow will be created for you like you can see on your screen. You will be able to see two major modules of Pabbly Connect, Trigger and Action, on which the whole automation runs. So before that, I would like to remind you to keep open tabs of the application that you're supposed to integrate. Like here we have TuCalendi and Interact. TuCalendi where the booking are dealt with and they will be cancelled from here, and then via Interact we'll be sending a WhatsApp message. The reason for opening these applications is you will be able to connect better to Pabbly Connect with these applications and also to make the required changes for this workflow, like you can see cancelling of the meeting over here. So the trigger and action. Trigger says when this happens and action says do this, which means that trigger will be the first application where the event will take place. And as soon as that event takes place, it will make sure that the action application performs the assigned action. So when this happens, when this trigger happens, do this action. That is how it works. So the trigger over here is going to be TuCalendi, because the booking that exists already in your TuCalendi event will be cancelled over here, which cancellation will cause the trigger, and the action application, which is Interact, so that will make sure that it sends a WhatsApp message regarding the cancellation. So let us begin with the workflow. Choose your trigger event from this drop-down menu. We want the booking to be cancelled, so this is our event. And when this event takes place, then a response will be received regarding the details of the booking. How can we receive the response? Through the capture webhook response option given over here. So it is called webhook response. We have been provided a webhook URL which acts like a bridge between these two applications, which is the trigger application and Pabbly Connect. How? That this webhook URL will be copied from here and pasted in the webhook section of TuCalendi. And that is how whenever a booking will be cancelled, then this will fetch the information regarding that booking which is cancelled and bring that data over here as a response. So we can use the data, the important details of that booking to send a WhatsApp message. So let's begin. These are the instructions provided to you how to use this webhook URL. Let us begin with the integration. Go to your TuCalendi, and from calendars option given over here, you will be reaching this place where you can see the events. Now choose the event that you're working upon, and that will take you to this webhooks page. So every event that is cancelled in this particular event will be sent as a response. For that, first you have to copy this webhook URL from here. And you will notice that as soon as you copy it, it starts waiting for a webhook response, which means that the integration has begun. So we go back to Calendly and find webhooks from this upper menu over here. Click on webhooks and then add a webhook right here. So paste the URL and then you have to add an action which is required for this webhook to send the data. So click on this add button and choose your event. We want a booking cancelled. So I'm going to choose that as my event and click on add. So whenever this booking will be cancelled or any booking in this specific event will be cancelled, this webhook URL will fetch the data of the booking. Click on add and your integration is complete over here. Now since it is waiting for a webhook response, you can see that log into the application where you've added the webhook URL and do a test submission or record, which means we have to do a test cancellation of the booking. So come back over here and go to schedule events. And here you will see that a booking is here. And here in schedule events, you will see there are multiple bookings in which the event name is workshop, with which we have integrated the webhook URL from Pabbly Connect, the date of the booking, the time of the booking, and we have the details of the customer. If you open this booking, you will see first of all the details of all the booking, and then scroll down so you will find the details of the customer. So this is the one that we need to cancel the booking, and then you will receive the response of all the booking details. So scroll down and click on cancel reservation. When you cancel it, you will be receiving here as a webhook response, and the response is right here in no time. You scroll down and you will find first of all the time format, that is UTC, name of the event which is workshop, duration is given over here. So here we have the booking number, which is very important. Booking date and time is also given over here. We have the name of the contact, the customer, the contact details, the email address of the person, and the further details. And the action is also booking cancelled over here, which means that the required details have been provided to us about the cancelled booking right now. So we are going to make use of these given details and send a notification message on WhatsApp. Open your action application Interact that we are using in place of WhatsApp to send WhatsApp template messages. So select your action event as send WhatsApp template message. So when a booking will be cancelled and a response will be received in the trigger application, then you will be able to send a WhatsApp template message. Why is it called template message? Because a template, a pattern of that message will be set, and just the details of the customer and the booking ID will be changed. So first of all, connect your Interact with Pabbly Connect. Click on connect and then click on add new connection. You will need a secret key over here. For that, you have to go to settings and developer settings. Rather than going through all of these steps, you can simply click on Interact account. I told you to open your account, so it will straight away take you to that page. And here you will see the developer settings, and this is the secret key. Copy it from here and paste it in your field. Click on save and Interact and Pabbly Connect will be connected. Now you have many fields to be filled over here. So pay a little bit more attention while we do the mapping and also the filling of these fields. Now you need a country code. Like you can see in our trigger response over here that we have the number along with the country code, which means that we can straight away map this number. Alright, so we do not need to input here the separate number. If you have the number separated, like you just have the number, so you can type the country code here and the number over here. But if you have it connected, then you can simply map it over here. So how do we map it? Basically, you have to insert data from the previous step so that every time another booking is cancelled and there will be a new number where you want to send the WhatsApp message. So for that purpose, what we are going to do is that map this data over here from the response that we have received. So a new booking cancelled, a new response received, and then a new number will be entered over here automatically. So scroll down and then map that number to this place. Then you have a template code name. So for that, open your Interact and then go to templates from this section. This is your templates. And here you have a long list of templates that you can use for your sending messages. So here I have created a recent template called booking cancel. Click on this one and see, you reach this place where you can view the template. So this is the template hello. Here the name will occur. Your booking for the event, the name of the event has been cancelled successfully. The booking ID has to be entered over here. And then I have added a call now button over here. So if they have any query like I have written over here, click on the button below. So they can straight away call to this specific number given to them. This is the customer query number. So we are going to use this one and we need a template code over here. So as it is mentioned in the help text, always read the help text given to you. To get the code name, you have to go to the URL and before /view, you have the code name. So this is my Interact, this is my URL and this booking underscore cancelled is my code. I will copy it from here and paste it in the respective field. So I have entered the template code name. Now we need a language code. So first of all, check which language you're using. English, UK you are using. So they have generally given two examples that if it's just English, you can use EN and English US is EN_US. So click here and then they will show you that what language you're using for the template and what code it will be. For my language, it is going to be EN_GB. Okay, English UK. So I have entered the code. You click here and it will, a long list of all the language codes are given over here. So I used English UK and this is the code that I'm supposed to use over here. Now go back and you need a header value. Do we need a header value? You go back to your template over here and we have a header called booking cancelled, which means that you are not supposed to enter a header value separately. Then comes body variable values. This is an important part because the template is not going to change, only the details. This is curly brackets, details are going to be changed. That are the variables. So we are only going to enter the variable. If you have like this, hey, your order number is this. So name and then the order number. So the first place what will come? The name will come. So you will map the name first of all. What is the name of the person? This is the name. Then put a comma and then map the workshop, which is the name of the event. All right. Then again put a comma and then map the booking number, which is this. All right. So this is how the template will work. First of all, the name of the customer. Then we have the name of the event and then we have the booking ID. So we have given all the details. Nothing else is left over here. So we will simply click on save and send test request. One more thing which is important is position of the CTA button. If you have added a call to action button, then if it is just one button, you use 0. If it is more than one, you use 1. So it is 0, which agrees with the given situation. Click on save and send test request and you will receive the response that the message has been sent. So let us check our WhatsApp that have we received this message or not in this specific given number over here. First of all, check all your responses. Now where it is written that there is some error in our workflow, which means that the message has been sent to our WhatsApp. Now let us close this module and check our WhatsApp. So here we are on WhatsApp and see the first message I have over here calls booking cancelled. You open this message and see the recent message that I have received is booking cancelled. The name of the customer is written over here. Your booking for the event workshop has been cancelled successfully. The booking ID is also given over here and we have a call now, call to action button as well, which means that we have received a booking cancellation message successfully. And every time a booking is cancelled on TuCalendi, then that specific customer will be receiving a message via WhatsApp of that specific purpose. So this was the whole workflow. I hope this helped. Not just these applications, but you can integrate many other applications using Pabbly Connect. If you have any issue regarding Pabbly, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any doubts regarding our pricing, then you can connect us through this given website. If you found this video helpful in any way, then make sure to share this with your friends and colleagues to make their life easier by creating automations. We will meet in the next video. Till then, do not forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.